Hello students. So ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯ BBM ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನ 2015 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುವ. So we'll have a discussion on redemption of preference shares. So this problem is very simple with respect to the adjustments. So the balance sheet of Nitin Limited is given. On the liability side, they're having 15,000 redeemable preference shares of rupees 10 each, 1,50,000 they're having. And existing equity shares they're having 3 lakh, and in the general reserve they're having 1,60,000. Profit and loss account balance 55,000 they're having. Securities premium also they're having 1,35,000. And creditors, and also some information they given in the asset side. And on 31st March 2014 the company decided to redeem the preference shares at a premium of 5%. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ redemption premium ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So that point you have to note. And for this purpose, so they are decided to utilize the general reserve. So how much fund is required for redemption? The entire amount can be utilized from the general reserve. And one more adjustment, all the investment were sold for rupees 97,500. The shares were fully subscribed and the preference shares were redeemed. So pass the general entries as well as you have to prepare the balance sheet after the redemption. So some working notes we will do in the initial stage. Next stage we will pass the general entries, and finally we will prepare the balance sheet after the redemption. Now the first working note we will do for calculation of profit and loss account balance after redemption. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಉಳಿತದೆ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡುವ. So the profit and loss account balance given as per the balance sheet is 55,000. From that, loss on sale of investment should be deducted. So if you go through the problem, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 1 lakh ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The book value of investment is 1 lakh, but it is sold for 97,500. So sale value is less than the book value. That's why there is a loss of 2,500 should be deducted. So now the profit and loss account balance available for redemption or after redemption is 52,500. Next calculation for calculation of general reserve after redemption. So in this problem they communicated that the general reserve should be utilized for the redemption of preference shares. So because of that, the balance of general reserve given in the problem is 1,60,000 less amount utilized for redemption of preference shares. So here you have to take only the nominal value. So ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ತುಂಬಾ ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು. Even though redemption is done at a premium, the premium is adjusted through securities premium account. Only nominal value of redemption of preference share capital is utilized from general reserve. So 1,50,000 only adjusted with the general reserve, means 15,000 into 10 rupees per share. Nominal value only we have to take. So now if you adjust 1,50,000 with 1,60,000, so the balance is remained in the general reserve account is 10,000. Next point number 3, creation of capital redemption reserve. Now how much amount you will utilize from general reserve? For the same you have to create the capital redemption reserve. So that should be adjusted from the general reserve. So capital redemption reserve is created through the general reserve to the extent of 1,50,000. Means the amount is utilized from the divisible profit. Next, calculation of premium on redemption. So this is required because here premium is paid at the time of redemption. So they mentioned in the problem, so they decided to redeem the preference shares at a premium of 5%. So 5% means if you apply 5% on 10 rupees, so that will come 1 rupee per share, sorry, 0.50 per share. So 15,000 into 0.50, so that will come 7,500. So 7,500 premium on redemption, really premium on redemption is adjusted with the securities premium account. So already securities premium given in the problem, so they're having sufficient amount 1,35,000. So from this account, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟೀಸ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಇಂದ ನಾವು 7,500 ಅನ್ನು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. And last calculation, cash balance after the redemption, so that we'll do later. Next phase ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು journal entries pass ಮಾಡುವ. Now first journal entry for sale of investment, where you are aware about the rules of accounting. So when sale is done, you will receive the cash. So bank account debtor, the value of the sale amount 97,500. Because of sale, loss is happened. So profit and loss account debtor 2,500, loss on sale of investment to investment account. So the narration being investment sold at loss. Second entry, usually we are giving for fresh issue, but in this problem there is no fresh issue is mentioned. So directly we are going for premium on redemption. So premium on redemption is adjusted because of the premium securities premium account. So securities premium account debtor to premium on redemption of preference shares 7,500. So we already showed that in our working note. 7,500 how we got 15,000 into 0.50 per share. That is a premium amount paid to the redemption. Next, entry for creation of CRR, capital reserve, general reserve account debtor to capital redemption reserve. So CRR is created out of the general reserve account. Next, last entry for transfer of amount to the preference shareholders account, premium on redemption of preference shares capital account debit. So the premium amount is paid, and redeemable preference share capital account debit, the nominal value 15,000 into 1,50,000 to redeemable preference shareholders account 1,57,500, being premium and capital to be redeemed transferred to the shareholders account. And final entry for actual payment, so redeemable preference shareholders account debit to bank account. So 1,57,500 is finally settled with respect to the redemption. After giving all the journal entries, in the last phase we have to prepare the balance sheet of Nitin Limited after redemption. So here no need to write the preference share capital because it is already repaid. So make a point here. So directly we will go for equity share capital. So share capital equity share capital, there is no fresh issue. So existing share capital only we have to write 30,000 shares of rupees 10 each will come 3 lakh. Next, general reserve, as per the working note 2, we calculated that how much general reserve is available in the account, 10,000. Profit and loss account after redemption 52,500. Securities premium, here we showed the working note 1,35,000 we had. Out of 7,500 paid or adjusted on a premium on redemption. The remaining amount is 1,27,500. Capital redemption reserve is 1,50,000 and creditors as usual 2 lakh. Coming to asset side, plant and machinery, there is no change. Furniture, vehicles as it is. Investment is sold, so no place in the balance sheet after redemption. And the value of stock debtors will remain same. Bank balance, how we got 30,000. So we are having a working note number 5. So cash balance as per the balance sheet given 90,000 plus sale proceeds because of investment 97,500 we got. So add that amount, so we will get 1,87,500. From that, final settlement made to the redemption, so payment to the preference shareholders 1,57,500 including premium amount. So finally the cash balance after redemption is 30,000. So that we have to write here. Ultimately the balance sheet will get tally 8,40,000 on both sides. So if any clarification, kindly contact. So kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.